Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and most of you know what this is. This is the blue package of loveliness from Jennifer Harvey and Chic Sparrow. This is my Prince Folio. I ordered it the last day of the 50% off sale, and it is the second to last thing that I'm waiting for. I have one other thing coming, and it is a different maker, but this is the last thing from Chic Sparrow that I have purchased. And I do not know when I will be purchasing more because I am trying to keep my spending at an all-time low this year. But I couldn't pass up the 50% off sale, and I will tell you right now that will get me pretty much every damn time. But I wanted something purple for my A5s, and that is what this is. Oh, I'm so excited! Woohoo! All right, so we will pull this out, and I will go ahead and open this because I already know what it says. Ooh. And I can see which new sticker I will be putting on my lovely A5. That is very pretty, a teacup with flowers. And I think that's a little bird, I think. I don't have my glasses on. Okay, anyway, so let me show you what my order notes were. It is the A5 Prince Folio. And I said I love texture and striations. That's all. I got some prints in my Chic Sparrow leather pieces and thought it was beautiful. And so I have been torn between the Misty Mountain Waypoint and this, but then Misty Mountain was sold out. So I was like, well, guess y'all made my decision for me. So I'm so excited. All right. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh, it is so pretty. It's got like a couple of little marks there that are part of the leather. I don't know if you guys can see it, like right there. But that is actually part of the leather. It is just bending up a little bit there, but oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And I love the way the Prince moves. And I'm not going to roll it, I don't think. But if it starts getting scratched up or whatever, then I might think about it. But, oh, so pretty. I love it. I love it, I love it. So I'm going to be putting my A5 Hobonichi Cousin Avec in this, and something that is coming that should be here next week will be over here, and it's an A5 and thin like the Cousin Avec. It is not a plain notebook, I will tell you that. That had been what I'd planned on doing over here, but I have since found something that has made me rethink a couple of different things, and I will share it with you guys when I get it, because I am very excited about it. I saw it posted in a group, and I'm like, oh, what is that? Oh my goodness. So we will see. It's already been shipped. It got shipped within an hour of me ordering it off of Etsy. So I'm like, let us see. So I love this, and it should be up and filled up. It'll be up on my Instagram account once it's all put together, but oh my goodness, it smells lovely. I love this. And this is the Prince. This is the Outlander leather in the purple, and it's called Prince, and it is gorgeous. So there you go. I don't know what that keeps bubbling up. I don't know if there's glue between those two. I would imagine there is. Well, maybe not, but we'll just work it and go from there. But It's the first A5 folio, and I wanted something in purple because everything else has come to me in purple this year, and so this is going to be my folio for 2020. So there you have it, a quick little unboxing, and these are going to be rare this year because I am trying to cut back. So, however, I will be going through what I have and showing you guys what I'm currently carrying, all of that. So, I'm redoing my cubes in here so that you guys can see all of my collection more easily, and I can see all of my notebooks and stuff that still need to be used in my study. So, I tend to forget about things that are in here, so we will just put up my collection and figure all of that out. But I will give you guys a full tour once everything gets done. So anyway, I will talk to you soon, and as always, spend the rest of your life celebrating, because it is worth every moment that you do. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.